Hi, it's me again with Corel Tips and Tricks. Somebody sent me this. Very few times do I get stumped on how to draw something. I do get stumped from time to time and contact my mentors, but mainly it's on print merge or something else. And I really had to look at this, and I knew I'd seen this before. That's the interactive fill tool set on a setting. And I've already done this, so I know I'd do it. Or I hope I can do it again. I'm going to hit P. I'm going to control D. And this didn't just come to me. I had to really think, I had to count how many squares there are, or rectangles. And what we're going to do, well, we need those lines, I think. So we're going to go to Windows, Dockers, transformation, 5 degrees, but I only need 35 lines because it's doubled. So when that one, if I only had one line, I would need the 71. And I really need 36, but only need one. Then I need to individually fill in these spots. I don't really think it matters what color you fill in. I'm going to use blue. Now I'm going to bring in indexing lines because there's so many lines there, it's going to be hard to see. And since I've got the interactive or the transformation Docker, I'm just going to, now this time I'm going to need to go 71. I actually need 72, but I've filled all those in. Now, what I wish I would have done first, I wish I would have grouped this together. So I'm going to group all this together. Control G. That's so I can just take it apart and get rid of it. Now, if you see, I can grab that and delete it. Really what you ought to do in this case is move it out of the way. Now we still have lines, so I'm going to put the lines back. So that's a good example right there, even if you don't do what I'm fixing to do. Then we're going to take the interactive fill tool or the smart fill tool, fill in that, and then get the interactive fill tool. I need to go to the cone shape, and I need to get a little color in there. I'm actually going to put a little, I don't know that the colors matter, and I missed the mark. And I'm going to put a little blue in the middle. I'm going to put a little white. I don't know that the colors matter. Because then what we're going to do, we're going to group all this together, Control G. Get the interactive fill tool again and go right here to this fountain fill 017. And look at that. The only difference between his and mine is mine is sharp. So then if you took a black background, and people that are watching this don't go, how did he figure that out? I had to really play. I had to play because I thought I was going to do these. I'd seen this shape in the interactive fill tool before. I thought I was going to have to do these individually. That's pretty cool. I don't know what they're going to use it for. It would make a really nice hubcap for a car, if you put a tire around that. Anyway, I hope that helped them a little bit. Thank you for watching.